Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it on Friday, so that's where the green line there is coming from. But that's also where the first update comes about, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 35 cents as that area of support, but now that the prices blow it, this would be the near-term area of resistance going forward. So if there's going to be any sort of bounce back to the upside, the first key kind of momentum area is going to be 35 cents in regards to is any sort of true momentum starting to build. Well, if there is some true momentum, then 35 cents should be able to be broken. So keep an eye on that as far as near-term areas of resistance. Yeah, sure, there's other areas, but one step at a time. Don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves and talk about levels of resistance that don't really pertain to the chart right now. But 35 cents, they're going to be that first key hurdle, like I said, to kind of get any sort of bounce rolling again. Now, what about levels of support? Let's get some new levels here pointed out. And after today's price movement, seems to be quite a bit right around the 30 to 29 cent mark, especially earlier in the day. The price spent time right around that area. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding strong. So that'll be, the ideal level going forward as far as levels that you want to see hold. If 29 cents does not maintain itself as support, then at that point, next level of support, not until down around 25 cents. So like I said, if 29 doesn't hold, then it would not be very shocking at all to see the price drift down to 25 cents and test that. But as things stand currently, the 29 cent area is doing a good job of holding strong. So we'll see how things continue to play out. But the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.